So when a hurricane comes through, it's nothing to play with, so you want to watch out for electrical items. So even if you have electricity or not electricity and you see power lines down or something, stay away from them. But a few things that you can do for your house is, if you have a little electric meter like this, you can go around and check stuff. But most people don't know how to use one of these, so there's alternatives. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight Tools, Lowe's, Home Depot, or whatever. But you've got these little things. If you think you got power in the house but you're not sure, you can just plug this in, and when that orange light comes on, it says correct wiring. That means it's okay. Now if the red one comes on, that means hot to ground. That means you got a problem. So beware of that. So now let's take this off. Oh, and if this one lights up here, the white one, that means you have an open ground. That's not good either. So you could still have electricity coming through the wire but not have a ground, and that's very dangerous. So beware of that. The easiest one to use is this one right here. If you see a line down outside your house, just leave it alone. But if it's close enough to something, then you got to see if it's got power. You can get these little things at Harbor Freight Tools, Lowe's, Home Depot, most places. And when you turn it on, it's just a simple off and on. That's all it is. And then you just get close to it. It's going to tell you whether there's power or not. That means that it's hot. That means there's power, baby. So that's a way you find out if you got power, or if a line that's laying on the ground is hot. Use a tester and check it out, or call somebody that knows what they're doing and get the line out of your way. It's best probably just to leave the electrical part to the professionals. And there again, if you want to check your electrical in your house, you have one of these testers, you plug it in. As long as this middle one is lit up, you're good to go. But if the red one's lit or the white one's lit, that means you have a problem. You need to call an electrician, if you don't know how to handle it, to take care of your electrical problem. You can also test your outlets in the house with this tester. So you see that's got power. That's your ground on that side. That's your hot on that side. So that's working. So you just got to make sure that you test your power even before and after the storm, and make sure that it's working properly.